How to see hidden following list on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. And in this video, we will see if we can see the hidden following list on TikTok or not. First of all, you have to open up the TikTok application in your mobile device. After that, search for that specific account where you would like to view their following list. Once you search for this account, if you navigate to their profile page and under their profile name, there you'll have a following option. You can simply tap on that to view the following list. But in case if that account is private, you won't be able to view their following list. In that case, you have to send them a follow request. And after this account accept your follow request, then you will be able to view the following list of their account. But if they have changed their settings privacy, where you won't be able to view the following list, or if they have set the privacy of the following list only within them, then in that case also you won't be able to view their following list until and unless they don't change their following list privacy settings. So this is the way to see the following list on TikTok, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.